week's challenge is to try veggie noodles or veggie rice.
And veggie noodles and veggie rice is really fun to substitute for just regular rice or for typical noodles, and it's a great way to sneak in some veggies. So a really easy thing you can do is actually just make your own.
Yes, so we're just going to peel this with a regular vegetable peeler. This is a zucchini, so it makes nice kind of ribbons, which is really fun. And again, super simple to make your own, so that's an option.
Yes, and you could also use a spiralizer if you have that at home as well.
Right.
If you're in the fresh veggie produce area, you can buy cauliflower crumbles, which you've already done for you. Otherwise, lots of veggie spaghetti options too, everything from zucchini to butternut squash to even beet.
And right along with that, if we are going fresh, we also have a lot that are frozen. So again, along the same lines, lots of different veggies, and they're super simple because you can just throw them in the microwave to steam them, or you can throw them on a skillet to cook them that way as well.
And if you're looking for recipe ideas, head to our website. We've got lots of them there.